if there is a good symbol or good logo, like how we have a Nike. In Nike they just have this, and sometimes they don't even write the name Nike, and it is understood by the world that okay, this is from Nike. Or earlier there was this Coca-Cola where these two lines were, their whole that C was two Coca-Cola, two lines were becoming like a wave. So if you just put a wave in a red color in white, it would indicate that is from Coca-Cola. So this way, if you expand your thought and make it as a simplified, continuation of your thought, bigger thought, then it becomes much more effective.